Hello bachon, let's see the question here. In aqueous solution, the ionization constant for carbonic acid are K1 4.2 multiplied by 10 is power minus 7 and K2 4.8 multiplied by 10 is power minus 11. Select the correct statement for a saturated 0.034 molar solution of the carbonic acid. A. The concentration of H plus is double that of CO3 minus 2. B. The concentration of CO3 minus 2 is 0.034 molar. C. The concentration of CO3 minus 2 is greater than that of HCO3 minus. D. The concentrations of H plus and HCO3 minus are approximately equal. So here I'll start the solution and first discuss key concept in this case. So for the first step, we have H2CO3. This will be in equilibrium with H plus HCO3 minus. And for the second step, we have HCO3 minus in equilibrium with H plus and CO3 minus 2. Here K1 is given as 4.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 और सेकंड केस के लिए क्या गिवन है K2 4.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. So after seeing K1 and K2, K1 is really greater than K2 in this case. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? So here the value of H plus, that is जो important है, or we can say that is total, this is approximately equal to value of H plus in step A. We will mark this as step A and this one as step B in this case. So here H plus A, ये क्या हो गया? H plus ion की concentration in first step here, equilibrium of A step, we can say that value of HCO3 minus, this is approximately equal to value of H plus, which is equal to H plus total. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? For equilibrium of second step, यहाँ से हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? H plus for B, here it was A in this case. For B part, this will be equal to concentration of CO3 minus 2. But as we have said that H plus concentration total, this is almost equal to H plus concentration A. That means H plus concentration for B and CO3 minus 2, this is negligible value as compared to that of HCO3 minus and H plus total value. So if we see here the options, the concentration of H plus is double that of CO3 minus 2. This is not true because H plus concentration, this is really greater than that of CO3 minus 2. Second, the concentration of CO3 minus 2 is 0.034 molar. This is also incorrect. Third, the concentration of CO3 minus 2 is greater than that of HCO3 minus. This is incorrect because this is inverse in this case, that is HCO3 minus is greater than CO3 minus 2. The concentration of H plus and HCO3 minus are approximately equal. This is the correct statement here. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.